on our family tour, you know, and we went to the Middleham Falls or the Trafalgar Falls, and yeah, it just reminded me of that. And greetings kings and queens, and welcome back to another video. It's your girl Sha'z. If you're new, welcome. If you've been here, welcome back. On this platform, I share hair care, lifestyle, and so much more. In today's video, I want to challenge you to express yourself and express it with pride. So guys, in today's video, I am going to demonstrate how I created this look. I call it the waterfall look. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into this video. So guys, there you have it. This look right here, like I mentioned, I call it the waterfall look. And for those of you who are new, I am from the beautiful island of Dominica, Commonwealth of Dominica, but I live in the beautiful island of Antigua. Okay guys, so you know, when I came up with this look, it just reminded me of the beautiful waterfalls that we have down in Dominica, which is the land of my birth. And it just reminded me of all these amazing memories I had whenever we went on our family tour, you know, and we went to the Middleham Falls or the Trafalgar Falls. And yeah, it just reminded me of that. And the green represents the nature. And for those of you who are new, I do love the outdoors. I love nature. I love plants. I love everything that is natural. And yeah, so that is why I created this look, and that is why I call it the waterfall. And you know, I have my green earrings here and my Sha'z Expressions t-shirt. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please go ahead and subscribe for those of you who haven't yet, and for those of you who have been here and you've tuned into this video, thank you again. And for my new subscribers, thank you so much for being part of the Sha'z fam. I promise you, you won't regret it. With that being said, thank you so much for stopping by. Blessings, more life. Cheers.